ஹாய் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், சனா மர்வா யூடியூப் சேனலுக்கு தங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோன்னா, நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற தலைப்பு பார்ட் ஆஃப் ஸ்பீச். 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்டில் கிராமர் இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறோம். இங்கிலீஷ். ஹாய் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், பார்ட் ஆஃப் ஸ்பீச். டுடே we are starting very important topic, that is part of speech. Actually, part of speech the plays a important very in learning grammar, because grammar is based on part of speech. Today this meet you, I am going to introduce the part of speech, describe and brief about them.
Part of speech. Words are divided into different kinds or classes called part of speech, according to their use or according to the work they do in sentence. The part of speech are 8 in number. 1. Noun. 2. Verb. 3. Pronoun. 4. Adjective. 5. Adverb. 6. Preposition. 7. Conjunction. 8. Interjection. Noun. Noun is a word used as the name of a person, place or animal feeling the idea. Example, Ravi is a good boy. This Ravi is noun, boy is common noun. Then next example, Asoka was a great king. Asoka is a noun, king is common noun. Then coming to the next one, second one, pronoun. A pronoun is a word used to replace the noun. Example, Preeti is a good dancer. She loves dancing. Preeti is a noun, she is pronoun. Then next example, the glass are where you left them. This glass is noun, them pronoun. Then coming to the next one, 3. Verb. A verb is a word used to express an action or state. Example, I am eating a food. I am a doctor. First example, eating is action. Am is be word. Then fourth example, adjective. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. Example, she is a brave girl. Brave adjective, girl noun. He is a tall boy. Tall is adjective, boy is noun. Then coming to the next one, adverb. An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb. An adjective or another adverb. For example, he finished the work quickly. This quickly is a verb, adverb. This girl is very beautiful. Very is adverb. Then coming to the next one, 6. Preposition. A preposition is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to show how the person or thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stands in relation to something else. For example, this is a bird in the garden. This in is preposition. The girl is foot of music. Of is preposition. Then coming to the next one, 7. Conjunction. Conjunction is a word used to join words or sentences. For example, 2 and 2 make 4. This 2 and 2 and is connecting word. This conjunction. I ran fast but missed the train. But is connecting word. This join the word but. Then coming to the next one, interjection. Interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feelings. For example, hurrah, we won the game. Hurrah is interjection. Then exclamatory sentence. Then next example, hoo hoo, you are here. This exclamatory sentence and hoo hoo interjection. Some modern grammars include determinants among the part of speech. Determinants are words like yeah, and, the, these, those, each, every, some, any, etc., which determine or limit the meaning of the noun that. Students, இன்னைக்கு பார்ட் ஆஃப் ஸ்பீச் பற்றி பார்த்தோம். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.